Mouthwash removes plaque from teeth in 2 minutes. In brief moments, a written explanation. You might not be aware of the fact that oral health actually determines your overall health. One of the vital parts of the procedure for oral hygiene consists of using mouthwash. It reduces the presence of plaque, while reaching and fighting bacteria that escape dental cleaning at the same time. It is actually the final step in the removal of bacteria and germs. Moreover, it leaves the mouth clean and the breath fresh. It is known that cavities can be cured with proper care and a healthy diet. These are the advantages of using a homemade mouthwash. 1. It is inexpensive. You can make your own homemade mouthwash and still get marvelous effects. 2. You control the ingredients. You can remove tartar with completely safe and natural ingredients. 3. No chemicals. Commercial mouthwash products are loaded with numerous additives like harmful chemicals, colorants, preservatives, artificial sweeteners, and flavorings. Today, we will reveal the recipe of an effective, inexpensive, homemade mouthwash, based on baking soda, which will help you remove tartar and get a white and healthy smile. Sodium bicarbonate is definitely one of the most potent best cleansers, and it can be used in various ways, including for maintaining oral hygiene. It has powerful bleaching and stain removal properties, so it is often used for teeth brushing. Also, it has antibacterial capacity that eliminates tartar and microbes, which are the cause of cavities and bad breath. This is how to prepare this mouthwash. You will need 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup cold water, 1/2 cup warm water, toothbrush, toothpicks. Instructions: you should combine the salt and baking soda, and then wet the toothbrush in some warm water. Spread the mixture above it, and rub the teeth. Then, spit it. Repeat this for 2 minutes. Next, mix the hydrogen peroxide with the warm water, and use this solution to rinse the mouth for a minute. Expel it from the mouthwash. In the end, use a toothpick to remove the tartar from between the teeth. Rinse with cold water. Repeat this twice a week. And also, we recommend you to do oil pulling every day. Additional tips: 1. Remember that you should never swallow mouthwash, as it might contain harmful ingredients. 2. For optimal oral health, make sure you brush the teeth at least 3 times daily with good quality toothpaste. 3. Spicy food stimulates the work of salivary glands, and saliva naturally sanitizes the oral cavity. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.